Most businesses think they're covered because they have backups. But here's the problem. Having a backup and actually being able to recover from one are two very different things. If your backup hasn't been tested, you don't have a recovery plan, you have a hope. Here's what Monterey Bay businesses need to understand about data backup and recovery. First, not all backups are created equal. Saving files to a local drive or syncing to Google Drive is not a real backup strategy. A real backup follows the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies of your data on 2 different types of storage, with 1 copy stored off-site or in the cloud. Second, ransomware attacks your backups first. Cybercriminals know where businesses keep their recovery tools. That's why your backup system needs to include immutable copies, versions of your data that can't be altered or deleted even if an attacker gets in. Third, your backup means nothing if you've never tested it. A restore test is the only way to know your data is actually recoverable when you need it most. At Adaptive Information Systems in Salinas, we help businesses across the Monterey Bay build backup strategies that are tested, layered, and built to survive a real incident, not just look good on paper. Give us a call or visit adaptiveis.net to find out where your current backup plan stands.